So whoever wins.
爸，在下面拿袋米上来。拿最靠边这个可能是那个最大袋那个啊。来。把那个最大袋那个拿上。
最大一袋。 Is Twitch actually even working? Oh yeah, it's actually working. Cringe. You know what's cringe? My tagline. My tagline is cringe. These people, man.
If you quit this challenge, bro, I'll be disappointed.
I won't quit it, but
Highest to lowest. Really? Valorant is actually still that big? Bigger than Counter-Strike. Bigger than Fortnite. Okay. Here's the thing. Alright. What do we got to do about this? Like... Really? Valorant is actually still that big? Bigger than Counter-Strike. Bigger than Fortnite. Okay. Here's the thing. Alright. What do we got to do about this? Like... Okay. Close that. Close that. Like, that number makes sense. kbps to mbps. I mean, it's just 1,000, right? Here's the thing. What do we got to do about this? Like, KB to MB. Yeah, they're just kilobytes to megabytes. Then, damn, bro, this is wrong. When you go to speed test, it's megabytes, not just. Close that. Not just mbps. Like that number. So I'll let this go. Oh, it is all in mbps. Okay, well, doesn't matter then. Doesn't matter what I just said. kbps to mbps. I mean, it's just 1,000, right? No drop frames yet? KB to MB. Yeah, they're just kilobytes to megabytes. Then... No, we still have drop frames. Still goes down. What the heck? Go to speed test. It's megabytes. I'm still dropping frames. Not just Now we're fine, apparently. Not just Mbps. Okay, but that was so 2 let this go. Streams going on at once. Oh, it is all in Mbps. Okay, well, doesn't matter then. Question is, should I stream to TikTok? Yeah, it doesn't really matter, does it? I mean, I could go to Kick right now and just see what it looks like. I could also search up TikTok. What's the highest viewing channels right now on Kick? No drop frames yet? KB to MB. Yeah, they're just kilobytes to megabytes. Then I know it's mostly gaming content, but no, where is the Primogen? Still goes down. What the hell? Probably not on Kick. I'm still dropping frames. Not just. Now we're fine, apparently. Not just MB. Okay. It is still Twitch. What's this about like? Bruh, it's literally just like buying stuff. Just chatting. Man, Twitch is different. Twitch is different. Okay. I can close this now, I think. Trover signing with TikTok. Let's try TikTok as well, right? I don't care about this.
Thanks. She didn't want to help me.
How do I just pause something, you know what I mean? Creator Tools. Live Studio. Is there a Mac OS version? Only Windows at the moment. How to stream on TikTok. How to go live on TikTok with or without 1,000 followers? Why would that even matter? Alright, let's watch this video.
Hey guys, it's Tech
Oh,
in
man,
today's video,
it's
I'm
this
going to teach you
guy
how to
again.
stream on TikTok. That is right. If you guys do not know, you might be wondering how to stream on TikTok for yourself. So that way you can promote your Twitch
It's
via
this
using
guy
TikTok.
again.
So that way you can have your face cam up top and of course have some gameplay on the bottom, plus your Twitch tag in the middle saying, hey, live on Twitch, link in bio, all that jazz. But you might not have access to a stream key and are wondering how to get access to a stream key or the TikTok live studio. Well, today I finally figured it out and I want to share how to do it with you guys, and that way you can stream on TikTok as well. So let's go with the first requirement in order to actually stream on TikTok live. What you need to do is get access to 1,000 followers on TikTok. Now you might be wondering, why do I need 1,000 followers? Well, this is a minimum requirement to actually stream on your phone. Now this is actually important because you need to at least go live once from your phone and stream for over an hour, because once you stream over an hour on your TikTok live via phone, then you'll have actually access to getting the TikTok live studio. So you can see I have already TikTok live. I've actually gone live
That's
once
way too much
within the last
work.
30 days on my phone for an hour or two, and I did this multiple times over. So that's one of the first things you need to do, so that way they say, okay, this person's been live for a couple times, maybe we should give them access to the TikTok live studio, and then you just wait a bit of time. The second thing you're going to need to know is that you're at least need 3,000 followers to actually stream with the TikTok live studio. Now, of course, if you don't have 3,000...
What the heck? This is a year ago, so it's surely updated now, right? You must have 1,000 followers to go live. Doesn't matter, I think. I think TikTok really doesn't matter to be good.
Hello,
Hello, is that Grant Lock?
that's me.
Hello, Grant. It's Max Ent here from the Transport Department. Just ring up
What the
with a courtesy
fuck?
call regarding use of...
So, seeing as all this rap beef is happening around the world at the moment,
Okay,
I thought I
sure.
might get involved and just address some of the things that really piss me off. The first one is going to be about my friend who I think stole my bag. So we're going to pick the bait first.
Vape stealing beat, man. Vape stealing beat. Okay. I will not do... Yeah. I will not do what I do. How's XQC going? Is in Valorant. Wow.
I'm young, I'm quick, I'm good at games.
Damn. Wow. Hmm. Okay, sure. I can probably close some stuff. I can probably close that. I know I have live right now. Hmm. Hmm. Man. I kind of get a landscape of like how Valorant's going in terms of proper proper popularity. You know, it's still behind League of Legends, but it's still there. It's still very much there. Regardless, how behind is this video? Low latency. Fuck it, man. Doesn't matter. It's just like Fortnite, VTubers. Man. This is like 100% not the platform for me. It feels. Yo, this isn't even updated. I don't know. What do I type? Twitch, TikTok, Kick. Kick's probably not the way. YouTube, you know, I'm just considering all the options here. What else could I do? Just actually make videos as well is another option. What is my goal here? You know what I mean? Multi-streaming. Yeah, we'll see. We'll see how it goes for a bit. You know, it doesn't hurt to try. I think that's the way we can think about it. You know, it doesn't hurt to try. And that's the other thing, actually. How am I going to keep track of chat? Because I can keep track of YouTube chat here, but I can't really keep track of Twitch chat. Custom browser docs. And then I can put the URL here. Yank. Botrix. Chat. Sus. Just leave it with nothing for now. Nothing to save, okay. Just type some stuff. Okay, I can't see it. So it's kind of good. I'll put it in with chat. Font size 22. We might do like 18. And just try typing. That's good for me actually. It's very good. Live control panel. Twitch. Is there a dark mode? I don't want to see this. Oh right, can't I just do my own CSS here? You know, or I can just put it on the side. Can I even make this smaller? No, it's as small as it gets. It's as small as it gets. It's as small as it gets. It's as small as it gets, alright. Sure, and then... I mean... type on YouTube. Hello world. Yeah. Yeah. I see the chat. Can I do anything about this? Do I just gotta keep a bright white background? Oh, I don't know. I think it's 100. Doesn't matter. Fuck it, man. Watch another video from this guy.
Hey guys, it's TechRain here. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to combine your chats into one place in OBS Studio, so that way you can have a multi-chat that shows YouTube, Twitch, and Kick without having to have multiple docs in one place. That is right. If you guys did not know, I did a video a little while back how to combine your Kick chat, YouTube chat, and OBS, but they were all separate docs, and there wasn't really a way to combine them in all one doc. However, I got a comment here today that said,
you can use the overlaid source as a doc source.
and after reading that comment, I processed the information for a little bit because I didn't quite get it, but I realized you could take a URL link, like the actual Bottrix link, and put it into OBS, which would capture all the information from every single chat, so you don't have to have multiple docs. I'm gonna show you guys how that's set up here today, because honestly, it works. But there is one problem. So you can see this is my setup right now. I have my Twitch chat here, and I have my Kick chat over here, so that way I can monitor both chat and read from both of them. However, they are technically merged together in one place. Yes, they are in OBS, but they are all in one spot. And that was kind of the only problem with my video, where yes, I was telling the truth, but at the same time too, it wasn't an effective method. Originally, I was actually developing an app. It's still in the works, but we're actually figured out another way to actually do it with the actual docs. And I want to show you guys this here today. First of all, I'm going to link down below to Botrix. Once you're on Botrix Live, what I want you to do is log into your Twitch. Now, of course, you can log into every single platform with this actual app to merge everything together, meaning that you have a chat box with every single platform in it. For that way you can show it on screen, and it also can be done for actually the alerts as well. You can actually customize them by going into individual settings on them, actually customize them there, so that way you can have all your alerts instead of multiple alert boxes showing up on screen, which is just looks weird. So I will have that video linked down below, and I do recommend you watch that, because that video goes over some specific steps on how to actually sign into like Kick and stuff. So definitely watch that video and come back here. But once you're back though, what I want you actually to do to get that one merged chat is literally go into your widgets and go into the chat box. So what you're gonna do here is like customize this, because the actual link for this is actually separated. So meaning that anytime you make a new chat box link, it won't impact the actual existing chat boxes that you already have on screen on an OBS. So it doesn't mess anything up. You know what I'm saying? Because that's not the fun thing to fix. And then what you want to do is disable, actually hide old messages, so that when you're reading a message, it doesn't disappear after a certain period of time. And also making sure that show platform icon, so that way you can see your Kick, Twitch, and YouTube. So what we're gonna do now is copy this link and actually now go into our OBS.
Show platform icon is actually kind of good though. Nah, fuck it.
And once we're on OBS, what you want to do is literally go to docs, go into custom browser docs. Then what you want to do is make a new one. So I'm going to type up the word all, and it doesn't really mean anything. It could just be anything in the doc name. And take that URL we just got and paste that in actually our docs. Now you'll get this empty canvas, and I want to go over the first problem with this. This actually does work. However, it is kind of one of those things where, like, if you played Pokemon in the back of the day, you name your character, you guys spam A in the beginning. That's what you're gonna have to do here. So if you actually want to take this custom browser doc, make sure to unlink your docs so that way they're not locked together, and actually move it around. So you can see I've already merged it with my YouTube and actually Twitch. And what I want to do is take my now Kick chat, instead of having it all the way to the side, I can only just merge it on in, so I have a cleaner look. So that way I have my all, Twitch, oh not Twitch, Twitch, Kick, and YouTube. And that way you can actually have this. So this looks pretty clean now. Now here comes the problem. This thing does work, but every stream you're gonna start off with, you need to start spamming just T. So spam T in the beginning, and once you spam T, you can see Twitch popped up here. But of course you're gonna have to do this every stream, which is kind of the only problem, but is not hard of a fix. But once you've done this though, you now have a message come up in like Kick, for example here. If I was to type up test and Kick, it'll be the most recent message and actually the app, which now if we go to all, you can now see Kick is available, and then Twitch works too, so that way it actually works. So technically, this is a way to merge all the chats in one place in OBS. However, it's just kind of annoying that every time you have to load up OBS, you will actually have to spam A in the beginning. But you can now see on screen here that the actual widgets I actually have on screen will actually vanish after a certain period of time, because I think I have mine like set to 50 and stuff like that. So they're gonna disappear on screen, but when they actually show up in actually the OBS widget, they won't disappear over time because these are permanent, which is very nice. So that's how you make a multi-chat for OBS Studio. If you guys did find this video helpful here today,
Yeah, bro, like, that's what I thought. That's what I did. Botrix chat, I guess, like just keep it as is, you know. Keep it as is on the side here, it's just gonna be a white blank space. It's gonna be annoying, but oh well. I'm just gonna hear the stream for a bit. Give me a second. Yo, can I even hear the stream? Alright, I muted it here.
Now is copy this link and actually now go into our OBS.
Show platform icon is actually kind of good though. I'm still here.
Do docs, go into custom browser docs. Then what you would do is make a new one. So I'm gonna type up the word all, and it doesn't really mean anything, it could just be anything in doc name. I think that URL we just got and paste that in actually our docs. Now you get this empty canvas, and I want to go over the first problem with this. This actually does work. However, it is kind of one of those things where, like, if you played Pokemon in the back in the day, you name your character, you gotta spam A in the beginning. That's what you're gonna have to do here. So if you actually want to take this custom browser doc, make sure to unlink your docs so that way they're not locked together, and actually move it around. So you can see I've already merged it with my YouTube and actually Twitch. And what I would do is take my now kick chat, instead of having it all the way to the side, I can only just merge it on in so I have a cleaner look. So and that way you can actually have this. So this looks
Why am I watching my own stream? Yeah? I'm just getting it set up. Just getting it set up. And I think I'll still mostly just stream on YouTube.